noticed what I've done to this house already. I have just added some gates. Well, I didn't add any gates, I just did this to it. So it makes the path, I added a path and I made it a lot more hard to get to your house. So yeah, I think I'm going to put the whole world inside like a big glass chamber or something. Don't know. Yeah. So what I want to do is just go here. Try not to be too close to the house. Yeah, that's not too close. So that way when I spawn zombies in, they won't burn. Or at least, that's what I think won't happen. And I'm going to build these big glass chambers here for the zombies to start coming out of. So in these chambers is where zombies will be. So I just need to get right inside of the chamber, place some glass down here. And here I'm going to get a zombie egg. Why did I spawn that there? That was so stupid of me. Why did I just spawn it there? That didn't work. So this is where the zombies will be trapped, inside of these glass chambers. And then what I'll do so I'm going to just place a bunch of these glass chambers all around. So that way there'll be loads of zombies. Now, the zombie has aided his escape. So each night there's going to be new zombies to fill the world with zombies. But I'll have to make sure they don't burn. So this way my zombie village will be like a little infected village. So I have to make sure the zombies do not burn. So yeah, these zombies are quite I'm going to kill this zombie. So I'm going to place another glass chamber here. So yeah, my zombie village will really be a zombie village. So this is where some survivors have trapped zombies inside these cool glass chambers. And next, the zombies will aid their escape. I'm going to put zombies in the graves as well. It's going to be really cool, my little zombie. Don't blame me for that. Oh, I didn't want to do it. So yeah, I've got 2 zombies trapped in these zombie chambers. Next episode of this series, you will see, I think, 3 more zombies, so there'll be 5. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.